Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to create an account for the Uber driver in the UK. So quickly come to your Google Play Store if you're an Uber driver, then search for Uber driver application. So guys, point to note is there are two types of application, the Uber customer application and the Uber driver application. So search for the Uber driver application and quickly go ahead and then open it. And then guys, once you open it, you go ahead and then wait for it to start loading. So it will then ask for your location. Give it access to your location because it will need to access your location. So guys, make sure that you're living in the UK. If you're not living in the UK, then it won't work for you if at all you want to create an account for the Uber driver in the UK. So quickly guys, just come over here and then sign in or continue with your Gmail application or your Gmail account. So guys, I would recommend to sign up with a Gmail account because it's much easier and it's much simple and direct. So quickly guys, I'll choose one of my email accounts over here. I think I'll choose this one here, and then once you choose it, continue as Jazzy. So my name is Jazzy. So quickly, I'm assuming I'm the driver. Okay, so guys, selecting your country code over here, just tap to the drop down arrow there and then select the United Kingdom. So the United Kingdom is over here, okay? And then put in your United Kingdom phone number. Once you put in the phone number, you will tap on next, and then they will send you a code to register your account. So for this case, it says invalid phone number because I'm not in the UK. But guys, that's basically the procedure. Thanks for watching guys. Like and subscribe. We shall meet.